this is not working properly, so they want to be on video, becomes an issue then. Fine. So we are going to work on mental bank. Not yet. Till yesterday we decided how to manifest the kind of money we want. How will we feel? We did a meditation to release it also, right? Then I think Ruchika, did you put in this everything? What how to make that
Yes, I did put in
vision
the
board?
picture, and we had some discussions after the call also. So I think everybody is clear.
Okay, good enough, fair enough. Now we are going to do some maths, and if people find it difficult, and they will definitely find it difficult, because it's not about the maths being difficult. To understand the concept, you'll find difficult. Okay. So for the first time, you're going to write the salary that, or the amount of money you have today. Okay, which you make in a, maybe you can take a year's time. So first, how much you make in a month, compute it to a year. Okay, divided by 365 and divided by 24. So I want you to know how much you earn 1 hour. What is your 1 hour earning income today? First do that. Do you want me to repeat it once again?
Yes, please.
What is,
Yeah, that'll be nice.
suppose today you are earning, Vidhi, you're earning 5,000. So you will be taking 60,000. 60,000 you earn in a year. So divide by 12 will again will become 5,000. Divide by 24. So you can either take a monthly income, divide by, but basically
Annual income would be better.
60,000, what you can do is 60,000 divided by 365. That would be easier for us, because some months have 28 days, some months have 30 days, so it becomes difficult. So with either 60,000 divided by 365 divided by 24. For example, I will do Vidhi's calculation right now. She gets about 60,000 rupees. Now this is divided by 365 days. So 164 rupees she earns per day. Sorry, and if I divide it by 24 hours, her per hour earning capacity is 6.84.
No, it's the gross income or the net income what I get in hand. What is to be taken?
Okay, I can earn 5 lakhs and I have to give my people 3 lakhs. That is not my problem. It's a gross income. What you spend is not our problem. What
नहीं,
you get,
taxes मतलब taxes करते हैं जो वो उनको include करके gross income is what we have to take.
कौन सा tax, ma'am?
जैसे I am working, so I get a
You have
amount
to include your tax. What you give to the
include my
government,
tax.
yeah, what you
Include.
give to the bank, government is not the thing that we have to look at. That is your story.
So
Yeah,
I currently I'm freelancing, which is where my income comes from in the same category. So I do have a rate card and I know my hourly what I charge by the hour.
no,
So,
darling, what you charge by the hour is a different thing. How much you are earning, we go by that. We are not going by what you charge, because all the 24 hours you don't have work, right? We're going to even include that time that you are sleeping. So we are not going to go anywhere. You have to give me how much you earn in a month. Divide by 12. Then, sorry, multiplied by 12. Divide by 365. Simran Baba has earned about 13.69 per hour. Okay, Simran. This is something that you will have to do every day.
Ma'am, this
Yeah.
calculation should be written or it should be in the mind.
It has to be written by mind, yeah.
Okay,
Everything has to be written, because every day you're going to write in the book.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody has some hourly income.
Yeah.
Good. Now what you're going to do is, you have a income of 12 months right now, right?
Yeah.
You are going to multiply that 12 months income into 4.
12 months into 4.
Listen, suppose if Vidhidhar is earning 60,000, she has to multiply 60,000 into 4. 2,40,000 she'll get. What is the actual income of Vidhidhar? 60,000. Now I want you to multiply that by four times. So you multiply your annual income by 4 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas, you will do it 8 lakhs into 4, 32 lakhs.
Okay, 12 into 4, 48.
So if you
Like
earn
that, right?
lakhs, so then 48 lakhs.
Okay.
Is it done? Yes. Now you are going to again do divide by 365 because we want the per day income. And after dividing by 365, you are going to divide by 24. That will be your hourly income.
Sorry, so Gitanjali, I multiplied by 4, I come to a figure. Now you want to
multiplied by 4 and you have taken 28 lakhs, it will come to a crore.
1.12.
1.12. Now you have to divide by 365 and then divide by 24. What's your per hour income?
Okay, let me just come to that now. Quite beautiful numbers though.
I agree.
So now what happens? Why are we doing it? Because in order to make, this is a very systematic, if you do it every day, if only you do this every day for the next 1 year, your income will double to what you are earning today. Now understand, this is a COVID situation. People incomes have gone up and down. So we are going to take the situation from March onwards. May not manifest, I don't know. You'll try to make it manifest. But take the income what you were earning in March. There are many who are still working from home. And believe me, if you're still working from home, good enough, because so many people are losing their jobs. Yesterday only I got this thing that people, especially the hotel industry, event industry, these are the industries which are very, very heavily affected. Airline. So now what is everybody's hourly income?
Now I got 320.
300. Vidhidhar's hourly income is become 2730. Okay.
Mine is 356.
356 after you have multiplied by 4 times, right?
4 times, yeah.
Sujata Deshpande is 548. In the vicinity of 3,000 something. 2,000 something. Pavan, you.
So ma'am, my in the net after tax is 904 per hour, and the gross comes to about 1278 per hour.
So this is multiplied by 4 times, huh?
Multiplied by 4, divided by 365, divided by 24.
So you have to go to gross only. So you're going to make it 1278 per hour.
Okay.
Now if you don't want 78, you can make it 75, you can make it 80.
No, I can go to 1300 also then.
Go now. That's perfectly fine. It will not matter. You can go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine is 1700.
Great. So now what you need to do is, you need to now start your day. So you are going to write from tomorrow. Today is kind of over. So you're going to write from tomorrow. Tomorrow is 22nd of June 2020. Whatever time all of you get up, you're going to write that time first. First, just keep tomorrow's date. Make one column for the day, the date, the activity that you do. Then the amount you will pay to yourself and the total amount. So make about 4 columns. So suppose from 8 o'clock you get up. Then from 8 to 8:30 you are freshening up, brushing your teeth, then having a cup of tea. In that 8 to 8:30, so you'll give 8 to 8:30, getting up and having tea. This is what you're going to write as an activity. For that 30 minutes, you're going to pay yourself. Suppose if I take the case of Pawan, since everybody is discussing, 1300 into 0.30. So he will be earning 650 an hour. Sorry, half an hour. He's earning 1300 per hour now. So if you are taking his case for half an hour, he has paid himself 650. So amount paid for half an hour is 650. Okay. Then if you watch TV, if you see, TV is not an activity which you are doing right now a lot. So definitely what do you normally do? You go to work, right? Absolutely right. Something you do. So you have to put in that activity. See, even though today we are not working, yet just now also we are attending a workshop, and you are now going to give any workshops you attend at this point of time, you're going to make it as a bonus event. So we'll come back to later. First, you have to start by writing your activities. Watching TV will not be an activity unless you don't do it. Then it will be a bonus event. And if it is becoming 4 hours, then believe me, in that 4 hours, you're earning nothing. I can't pay you for money. You can't pay to yourself for seeing TV for 4 hours.
So I wake up and the first thing I do is some yoga. So I'm doing yoga for 1 hour, I have to, it's an activity and I pay myself for that.
Because you're now using that time to enrich yourself. You're paying yourself to do the yoga now. So it's not the time that is getting wasted. But watching television is the time that is getting wasted. So you cannot afford to pay yourself for watching a television. But if you sit with your parents and talk to them for half an hour, that is an activity which you can pay yourself for. Because it is forging bonds and relationships. Even if you speak to your friend, you can do that. And suppose if you have not done before, and now you have free time and you're speaking to a friend on the phone, it's fine. You can pay yourself for that. For TV also, half an hour, 1 hour is fine. For 4 hours, I can't give you for TV.
And sleeping?
Sleeping तो मैडम करना ही नहीं है ना, अपन 8 घंटा सो रहे हैं, उसको डालना ही नहीं है.
उनको डालना ही नहीं. Okay.
Yeah, Kanchil, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the fourth column?
Fourth column.
You said may 4 columns.
Total amount of money. So there will be actually 5 money coming in. Fourth, keep it like this. Just let me first finish it one by one, or it will be too much. Make 4 columns. I will tell you when to do it. Now, all of you are going to make what have you done till today? What have you got up? What we have done? I want you to write till 6:30. What do you done? Or from yesterday after 9 baje kya sote hai, kya for dinner also you're going to reward yourself. For going for a walk, you'll reward yourself. If you teach your children, you're going to reward yourself. If you're making food, you're going to reward yourself. Got it? The travel time, suppose if you are working and you're traveling, even that travel time is going to be included, and you're going to travel time, suppose 10 to 10:30. You're going to reward yourself half an hour for that. Because what is happening is, we are not rewarding ourselves for things that we do for ourselves. So when Alifia gives the amount of money to her yoga, she now believes, yes, I am earning money also while doing yoga. Because she's contributing to her health. Is it clear?
And social media, do we reward ourselves?
No, but social media also is
like if you're on Facebook or WhatsApp.
Wastage of time. Unless you are on Facebook to find out what the competition is doing, then if you are sitting on Facebook and seeing movies, and you're sitting on Facebook and doing your time pass, then that is counted as your hours.
Should we fill it for today right now?
You can do it for today, so that till the end, how you did yesterday, you can fill it so that you have an example. So finish it up for today.
Hello.
Tell me. Hello.
Yeah, my connection went off. So I just missed a little bit. Can you just give me a recap?
Don't know from where have you missed?
After you asked to calculate the hourly income.
Of what? Multiply by 4 times or by single time?
I'm not clear about that multiply by 4 times that you're referring to.
Same with me. I'm not clear of that part.
Who's it?
I'm Preeti. So I also lost after that actually.
Okay. So
Yeah.
somebody can explain it to them.
Gitanjali, I was just trying to say, can someone of us explain so that we can understand if we have gone right?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Pawan, can you explain? That's what
Yeah, lovely.
Now.
Can I do that? If that's
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, please.
Okay. So let's consider your annual income at the moment. Okay. So for example, your annual income could be possibly 10 lakh rupees per annum.
No. Now tell them, Ash, how much are you earning per annum? So
In the current situation.
Don't say 10 lakhs. Ask him.
Sorry, I didn't get your name. Sorry, sir.
Ashish Damania.
Okay, Ashish, what's your income in the current situation annually? Even a
I would not want to disclose on this.
Fair
मतलब मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ यार. नहीं खुला रख.
Give me a guesstimated answer. That's not a problem.
15 lakh.
Sorry?
15 lakh.
Okay. So 15 lakhs is your annual income, right? Now, you need to get to a figure wherein you get onto an hourly income of 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs, okay, divide that by a factor of 12.
No, 365.
Sorry, 365. 15 lakhs divided by 365. Okay, you get a per day rate.
Now let him do it. Ask him how it is. How much it is.
Yeah, Ashish, you're able to arrive at a figure?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Same way, what's her name? Preeti. Preeti needs
Yeah.
Preeti,
I'm working. I'm working out. So I got a figure of 15 lakhs, 72,000. So I divide by 365. I get 4,306.
Correct. That's your per day rate.
Yes, I got.
per hour.
Divide that by 24 hours.
Okay. So I divide that by 24 hours. Okay.
So then you get your hourly rate.
Yeah. So I got 180 per hour.
Correct. So you're 180 per hour. So Ashish, are you with me on this?
Yes, I'm in sync.
Okay, good. So you've got your hourly rate out.
Yes, I've got it.
Okay. Now what you do is the same income that you all considered earlier, the annual income. So Ashish, in your case, it was 15 lakhs and Preeti, in your case, it was 15.72 lakhs. Multiply that by a factor of 4.
Okay. So now the annual income has to be multiplied by 4.
Factor of 4, correct. So yours 15.72.
Factor of 4 meaning 4 only.
Multiply by 4. Yeah, multiply by 4.
Okay.
4 times.
The annual income or the per day income?
Annual income. Ashish, I'm repeating myself. The annual income you mentioned was a guesstimated of 15 lakhs. Multiply that by a factor of 4.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the answer you're getting? If you have the calculator with you or something.
Okay, you want me to do it for you? Okay, 1 second. I'll just give you the answer.
15,72,000.
Okay, 15.72 into 4 gives you 62.88. That is 62 lakhs 88,000.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
62.88.
Ah.
All right. Now you divide that 62.88 by 365.
Now 62.88 by 365.
Correct.
Okay, so what is the amount coming?
So you should come to somewhere around 1722.
1722. Okay. Okay.
All right. Now that 1722 is your per day rate, correct? Now you divide that by further 24 hours. So you'll get your hourly rate. Ashish, are you with me on this?
Yes. So once once you divide after into 4, you have divided by 365.
Perfect.
And then divide by 24.
You've done 365, divide by 24. Perfect. Because you got to a daily rate, then you are getting into an hourly rate. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So you did a 360 divide by 365, you got a daily rate. You did a divide by 24, you get to hourly rate.
So hourly rate.
Got that?
I got that. But only thing is, I was not clear why have we multiplied it by 4 in the first place.
She will give you that answer. Just be with us. Be with us.
Okay.
So, okay, so if I divide by 24, I get 81 rupees. So that would be my per hour income, is it?
Madam, if you are
नहीं,
earning
आप
15
कुछ
lakhs,
तो गलत किया है आपने.
possible नहीं to earn.
So
आपने
62
कुछ गलत किया है.
lakhs, 62 lakhs 88,000 divided by 365. The figure you mentioned is, I didn't do that calculation. I took it from you. 1722 is the daily figure. Now 1722 is my per day income, which I divide by 24 now, correct?
Yeah, it is 71 only.
Okay, thank you.
You should get a price of 71.75.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you really for this clarification. I got stuck somewhere. Now it's sorted. Thank you so much.
Now you have to start writing. Suppose at 8 to 8:30 you have your breakfast. So you're going to say eating breakfast, paid yourself for 30 minutes into 71, which is 35 or 36 rupees. So 71 into 75 की जगह आप 72 कर दो. नहीं तो वो calculations बहुत problem देंगे.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am,
so half of it, no? Half of 72.
If you do it for 30, suppose now if I'm working for 4 hours, so from 9 o'clock I started working till 1 o'clock. 9 to 1, so 4 into 72. So I pay myself what? 20 or 20 rupees.
Yes, got it.
Yeah. Who wanted to ask a question?
Ma'am, the amount we multiplied by 4 and the answer we got it for per hour, that we have to write in the chart.
Chart.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
And the 4 columns are time, date, activity, and pay yourself. That's it, right?
So time, description of the activity. Okay. How much minutes you took, for example. So I have done it that way. How many minutes you've taken or how many hours you've taken to complete that activity, and the amount that you would pay. Now the amount you pay to yourself is the multiplied by 4 वाला जो हमने exercise किया था ना, उसके साथ आपको एक figure आया होगा. So for in your case it is 71.75.
72.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Whatever, 72. So you take that 72 multiplied by 40 minutes of hygiene time and.
Yeah, I got that. I got it. So I was just asking, we make only 4 columns, no, right now?
You have the place, then we'll make the 5th column also. Later on, if you want it. Right now, only 4 columns.
आज सैटरडे संडे था, कुछ काम नहीं किया वैसे ऑफिस का, तो बहुत सारा पैसा निकला.
तो किया क्या पूरा दिन?
So basically cleaning of the house, cooking of my breakfast, and
so even that you'll pay for yourself. You'll pay.
Yeah, I've done that.
Wow.
So basically that's what we are trying to say, that even if you're taking day off and you're working, if you're going to get a haircut also, you'll pay yourself for that. But again, I'm saying, so that is cleaning the house and all that. But अगर 12 घंटे आपने TV देखा, एंड सपोज 12 घंटे भी आपने टीवी देखा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर आपने मंडे टू फ्राइडे पूरी तरह से काम किया है और आपने आधा घंटे का भी टीवी नहीं देखा है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Some people don't do any recreation the whole week, but they finish the whole thing on Sunday or Saturday. So you will pay yourself for even watching the television. Is it making sense?
Yeah, good.
Good. So we are good now. Ashish asked why 4 times. Well, 4 times because in order to manifest double, the subconscious needs to calculate 4 times. So if I want to make it from 15 to 30, my subconscious has to see the calculation till 60 lakhs.
Okay.
That is the reason why it is done this way. Now, the whole day you earned, how much have you earned in today's day? Suppose the day is over, 11 o'clock you go to sleep. I want an example. So see how many hours you worked and how much have you earned. So you're going to calculate it. Suppose if you have worked for 10 hours and you are earning 72 rupees per hour. So you're going to write you have earned 720 rupees today.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, can you refresh me on the 4-column thing which you have said?
The first column was the day today. Then the second is whatever activity you did. Then the third column which we are discussing is how much are you getting paid for that activity.
Okay.
And the fourth column is blank right now.
Okay. So you want us to do it for today also? Right away?
To do it for today.
Just now?
Just now. Otherwise we cannot go to the second day.
Okay.
What activities?
Okay, so I've calculated, I've added up all the activities I've done. So for everything you pay that hourly rate to yourself, right? And that's it.
Like for example, today you are doing this workshop for this 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 1.150, whatever is the time of the workshop, you're going to pay yourself.
Okay, so Gitanjali, can I also do something like this that so supposing I've done a good deed, for example, and I'd like to reward myself more. Okay, should that be done or should that not be done?
I will do it. Wait.
Okay, so we'll.
But which good deed are you talking about?
अरे तो कल मुझे किसी वर्कर का रास्ते पे फोन मिल गया था during a walk. So I picked it up and I called him up and followed him up and you gave it back to him. तो अपनी जेब में डाल देता ना मैं.
So from there, I actually have another question. So today I did a theta session with a friend of mine. So normally if I do one over the call, I would charge for an hour an X amount. So then for that, do I put the X amount I charge for that hour, or should I leave it as the hourly rate we just calculated? Because that's obviously
Kanchan, your hourly rate is 830. Kanchan, your hourly rate
Right.
is 830.
That's right.
Okay. What did you say?
I'm saying if I'm doing an activity that anyways for an hour I have a charge and I do that activity in a day, should I put that charge?
That charge.
That charge, not the one we calculated now, not the...
Now you're getting confused, Alifia. Did I go to what you actually charged? You just write that you have done a 1 hour and 1 hour may, whatever we are charging just now, you have to multiply just blindly by that.
By the amount we just calculated.
Yeah, because the actual income coming is a different thing. So you wait now. So right now just calculate to what I've told. Because otherwise everybody will get confused. That's why I'm going very step by step.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Ma'am, suppose now from morning I wake up at 5:30. तभी से suppose अभी 8 घंटे I have done so many things. So 8 into 8 hours I have to pay. 1 hour 356 into 8. So 8 I pay that much, no?
But you have to write what you are doing.
Yeah. That I have written.
Ms. Gitanjali?
Yeah.
If in an hour I have done various miscellaneous activities, not one or two. So how do I?
1 minute. You have to tell me the activities.
Should I spell it out right away?
Oh, you have to, because that's how do I know?
So like maybe I changed means brushed my child's teeth and then prepared
That is all
breakfast
you
and
have to. So that miscellaneous hygienic activity, you have to give yourself 1 hour. You have to pay yourself 1 hour.
okay.
Even if you have lunch for half an hour, you're going to pay yourself for having that lunch.
So why do I pay for having lunch? If I don't pay for watching TV, why should I pay for having lunch? I just wanted to know.
Yeah. Now, Ashish, you are going to answer this question for me.
Sorry?
You are going to answer.
I'll only answer.
Yeah. Tell me now. Why do you think I've told this?
No, I have no clue.
Totally no clue.
No clue, really.
Now, when you're having food, how do we have food? We normally, people who are working, they don't have food properly. Even people who are at home, they don't have food properly. They just have haphazardly. They're not enjoying their food.
Right.
So, because now 15 minutes are there, I have to do this. It happens to me also. I don't enjoy my lunch hour. So many times I give appointments at that time, and I leave that, and I don't factor in my lunch hour so many times. So now what happens is when I factor in, because I'm saying, why? Because I'm not earning in that half an hour. So might as well, how do I factor? It's such मैं उसको ना 10 minute खा लूँ और मैं आधा घंटा कर लूँ, तो I'll earn in that आधा घंटा. Rather than that, even if I give myself half an hour, I'm paying myself. That money will come from anywhere. But if I'm watching television, not food the body needs, television the body doesn't need.
Okay.
So we cannot, I'm telling you, you can take 1 hour of television as the means of recreation. But suppose if you watch television for 5 hours, I'm not going to pay you money for watching 5 hours, is what I'm saying.
Okay.
Is it clear to everybody? Like somebody say, I don't have work, so I'm playing PUBG. We're not going to pay, make him pay for PUBG, na? Yeah, Kanchan, tell me.
So from what I understand it, it's activities that add value to your life.
Absolutely.
The productive activities.
See, I'm not saying watching television or a productive activity or adding value, but it has to be in balance. So if you watch television for an hour daily, great. Give yourself 1 hour for that. But if you're watching television for 3 hours daily, you are wasting time. If you're on Facebook for 3 hours daily, you're wasting time.
What about the night sleep?
Can't hear you.
What about the night sleep?
Night sleep, you're not going to count. But suppose
count.
2 hours sleeping in the day, you can count that. As an
afternoon nap, we can count. Okay. Thank you.
Gitanjali, Simin here. Suppose I have worked through the night for 6 days, Monday to Saturday. And Sunday, I tell myself now I will take a nice afternoon nap to compensate for those days. And probably, like, for example, I have kept awake at night to do my work. So that much sleep which I'm rewarding myself on Sunday, say about 2 hours in the afternoon, wouldn't that count as enriching activity?
So I said yes just now, no?
Okay,
it has
got
to
it.
be included, in fact.
Fine, thanks.
Even if you have not gotten up, Simeon, yet you want to sleep for 2 hours on Sunday, you pay yourself for that.
Okay, okay.
Even if every day you're sleeping, you see, because it can be also their compensatory mechanism also. You would be getting up early. So every day if you sleep, I don't think so that should be counted. But if you sleep once in a while, that's a different thing.
Okay, okay.
Because if you're sleeping 2 hours here, you must be getting at 5:30 in the morning.
Correct.
So, and you sleep at 10:30, 11. So it's a compensatory mechanism.
Fine, thanks.
So the night sleep is also like
you're
you're
putting
putting you into a mode of.
We are not paying ourselves.
Yeah, even if it is.
We are not paying. It's an
Okay.
activity. So we are trying to enrich. Suppose if you don't go, now we have something which is bonus events also. Or did everyone calculate the end? Okay. Now how many of you earn daily? How many of you earn daily? You earn daily? Tejas?
Yeah, not daily, but 5 days of, week.
No. How many of you have this kind of thing that the clients come in and give you money daily?
Okay, no.
So one is a fixed salary and one is when the clients come in and you get it daily.
Okay.
I'm salaried.
Does anybody have any amount coming in daily?
No, on off mode.
So on off, okay. So suppose if for your Nisha, today
Yeah.
you have, how much money you have earned today, Nisha?
Today I have 4,200.
4,200 you earned.
But
Good.
this is on off. Sometimes clients will come, sometimes not. Sometimes most probably 4 to 5 clients come. So like that, not regular basis.
Okay. When I asked you how much did you earn, I meant how much was your mental bank income, not your actual income. So what is your mental bank income today?
Mental today is
today till 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. What time do you sleep? Have you all
588.
Huh?
588.
588 is your mental income till what time?
Till now. Now the workshop is going on.
Finish it up till 10 o'clock. What time do you sleep, Nisha?
Around 10:30.
So till 10:30, please write it. Okay, I want today's mental bank income.
Okay, fine.
Till the time you go to sleep. Suppose you sleep at 2 o'clock, you're going to write that.
What is the mental bank income?
This is what we are doing now. Multiplied by 4 times is the mental bank income.
Okay.
One will be the mental bank income and one will be the actual income. That's the fourth column.
Madam, I want to know that meditation counts in
Pawan is already answered. So Pawan will answer.
Yeah, to my knowledge, it should actually include bonus points.
Yes. Great, Pawan. Now we come to the concept of bonus points, but in 10 minutes. First, let me just finish this up. So now till 10:30, आपका कितना पैसा हुआ?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Has everybody got the income till the night?
No.
Why didn't you do it? So that I can
because Ms. Gitanjali, I'm still not clear as to how do I do it from the time I've woken up till how do I estimate?
Please help him now. Please help him.
Sure. Okay, Ashish.
Ask him what time do you get up?
Let's yeah. I mean, if you may possibly be able to disclose what
10:15.
Wake up.
10:15. Today I woke up at 10:15.
Oh, cool. So 10:15 you woke up. After that you did your hygiene jobs for about 30 minutes maybe.
Or an hour.
Okay, or an hour, including 3 S's. It's called shit, shave, and shower. So possibly an hour goes in that. So you give yourself for 60 minutes. Okay, you came up with a figure of 1 hour per hour rate you got first.
Yeah.
Correct. So that for 1 hour you pay that X amount to yourself.
So 10:15
corresponding to the activity you did.
10:15
So 10:15 to 11:15 you had hygiene jobs, and corresponding to that you put 1 hour of.
Okay, I've done that.
Correct. Similarly, now after 11:15, what did you do? Maybe you've had breakfast.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Are you lucky enough to even be able to cook yourself, or you have someone to cook for yourself?
No. I have been. I made the breakfast.
Awesome. So you can. So basically, eating and cooking makes it about an hour of activity for you. Then in that case.
Yes.
Right. So then you award yourself for an hour of breakfast because you've also cooked your own meal, right?
Right.
Okay. So that's how you reward yourself for 1 hour. Then, so you are at 12:15 right now, 12:15 p.m. Then you possibly got into certain recreational activities.
No, actually, I did a lot of bank activity, online banking.
Cool. So basically, it was basically productive, right? It was not wasteful. You did not waste that time, right? So that banking activity possibly took you an hour. So 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. You again pay yourself for those 60 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Likewise, you have to continue till possibly the time that you're going to go off to sleep. Maybe, so since you're getting up at 10:15 in the night, I'm assuming you would have possibly slept in like 12 in the morning or 12 a.m. Right? So till 12 a.m., what are your activities? Break them down and you put the corresponding amount to it.
Okay. But so that means just now I know what activities I've done. So I have
but
to
you would also know your schedule. आज शाम को क्या करोगे? Maybe you'll go for a walk, you'll go for a run, you'll meet up with your friends, you'll chat around with your.
got it.
Okay.
एक घंटा देखोगे, 2 घंटा टीवी देखोगे. But अगर आप, you can just pay yourself for 1 hour of TV, not more than that. If you see TV 1 hour every day, then 1 hour. Then if you see.
But if I see a movie, it's more than 1 hour.
Yeah. So.
But you count for only 1 hour. No, that's what she's trying to say. Account for only 1 hour.
So also one more thing is there. If every day you are seeing 1 hours, then for 3 hours, even if you see a movie, how much TV do you watch, Ashish, every day?
I watch maybe 1 hour. Yeah.
So now if today you're watching a 3 hour movie, you can pay yourself for the 3 hour movie. But every day you're doing 2-3 hours, then you can't do it.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
And then you also mentioned about the mental amount and the actual amount. What was that?
That this is the mental, na?
हाँ,
So suddenly
mental.
से करने को, multiply करने को, which is the mental. It is mentally happening, na? Is it actually there in your physical world?
Oh, okay. Yeah, got you.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, it's coming 4,900 somewhere. Means 5,000 up to 1 o'clock. I have calculated.
Who is this person?
This is Sarika, ma'am.
हाँ, Sarika. हाँ, बोलिए.
So I have calculated up to 1 o'clock. Somewhere around 1 o'clock, I'll sleep. So I'll watch TV also for 2 hours, but that I have not calculated in the
Then you
night.
give yourself 1 hour of TV then.
Okay, that I have not calculated, but somewhere 11 hours I have calculated. That comes to 4,900 somewhere.
Very good. Now, Sarika, did you earn anything today?
Yeah, I earn.
How much?
I earn, see, the quality time, the only I'll play with my kids
No,
now.
actual, did you earn today anything?
Actually, no. Today Sunday, no.
I'm just asking, sometimes like today, Nisha has earned 4,700 or 800. How much have you earned the actual amount?
4,200.
200. She's earned actually. So now what will happen is, the end of this thing, total amount 11 hours, which Sarika has done. Okay. Now there is no actual income. So minus 0.
Okay.
Minus 0 because there is no actual income.
Okay.
And that, suppose it is 30,000. What's your amount, Sarika?
What is?
Your amount, Sarika?
Per hour?
Yeah, after 11 hours.
4,900.
So 4,900 minus 0 is equal to 4,900, which she will carry forward till for tomorrow.
Okay.
So now in your next column, you will say 4,000, not fourth column, but down you write 4,900 carry forward. Now there will be a shift in Nisha.
Next. This will, next day it will carry forward.
वो नीचे लिखो carry forward इधर ही. Next day का आपको वापस से 22 जून लिखने का है. फिर आप वापस से carry, फिर सबसे पहले आप लिखोगे वहाँ पे carry forward income 4,900. फिर एक नीचे छोड़ के आप सारा दिन का कैलकुलेट करोगे. वापस से सपोज आप 4,900 अर्न करा, तो 4,900 goes to 9,800. So you will carry forward the 9,800 to the third day. Now do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Got it.
This is just about carry forward. Now Nisha, how much are you going to earn the whole day today?
Today, mental bank account income is of 780.
Okay. Now if you see there's a discrepancy. So write 780 minus how much she has earned?
4,000.
So what will be her mental bank income?
Mental bank income minus
700. अच्छा, okay.
4,200 minus
720.
It will be in minus.
It will be negative.
Minus, okay.
So she has earned more than her mental bank.
Mental bank.
That's why she said ना कभी कमाती हूँ कभी नहीं कमाती हूँ.
Right.
So her carry forward is going to be minus. Can somebody please minus?
Sorry, Gitanjali, I lost you. Sorry, Gitanjali, I lost you there.
I am just calculating. How much did you earn? 4,200. And
3,480.
How much did you earn?
780.
780.
Mental bank.
3,420 is her carry forward. Minus 3,420. How much is a carry forward?
Minus 3,420.
3,420. You'll understand
Okay.
now.
I think I'm lost somewhere, Gitanjali. So, so the mental bank account or the mental balance today is approximated about 14,500 bucks.
Did you earn anything?
From?
Anything. Suppose आपके shares का बढ़ गया या आपको check आया या आपको insurance का पैसा आया. आपके
नहीं, आज ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. मतलब आज संडे.
आप minus 0 करेंगे और 14,000 जितना भी आप कमा रहे हैं उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे.
तो मैम आज की सैलरी तो है ना हमारी, जैसे
मैडम आपकी सैलरी 30 डेज के बाद आएगी. अभी आपको 30 डेज तक करके फिर माइनस करना पड़ेगा
इकट्ठा.
हाँ. सपोज आप लोग रेंटल इनकम पे तो वो तो एक महीने में एक आती है. सपोज अभी पवन की इनकम आ रही है तो पवन पूरे महीने 30 डेज तक करेगा. जब एंड में आएगा तो सपोज इसका मेंटल बैंक गिव मी एन आंसर ना. टुडे इज लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 22 मंडे राइट. तो हम 21 से जून में कितने दिन है? 30 दिन है.
31 days.
10 days.
30 sorry.
30 days.
आपका मेंटल बैंक कितना है? 14,000 for one day.
14,500.
14,500 for one day. इसने इतना कमाया. Into 10 किया तो कितना आया? 14 lakh.
1,45,000.
हाँ, 1,45,000 right? Now आपकी अभी सैलरी, अब आपने ये पूरा का पूरा, आपकी सैलरी कब आती है पवन?
1st of every month.
First one. तो जब आप इसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करोगे आपकी सैलरी कितनी होती है?
165, 170.
165. तो अब क्या होगा? आपका कैरी फॉरवर्ड कितना हुआ? 145 and you got 165. So your next will be minus 20,000.
Okay.
And then you see after getting it, minus 20,000 एक ही बार होगा. वापस से आप पूरा करोगे. वापस से पूरा करोगे तो एक टाइम पे जो minus 20,000 था वो आपका 2 दिन के अंदर बैलेंस 0 हो जाएगा कैरी फॉरवर्ड में. You have to do it to understand. So what you all do is आप लोग 30 days का कर दो. Except Nisha, because Nisha doesn't have a daily ka thing. People who are on monthly do it for 30 days and keep it.
Okay, so I have a query here. So today I have taken the account of today's work or whatever.
You will not take the account of yesterday because you have started from today.
Correct. So now today if I take the account, I have not been doing anything for work related issues at all. So I have not added that money at all. But on Monday, if I do a 4-hour job for my office, that also will be calculated, right?
Same way.
Okay. Because तो उस हिसाब से फिर कल की इनकम बढ़ जाएगी मेंटल बैंक की.
नहीं, सेम है ना.
कैसे?
अच्छा क्या
आज मैंने 8 घंटा काम किया ही नहीं.
Paying
yourself the same amount per hour.
If today I didn't work anything,
correct.
If the whole 6 days I work and today I didn't work anything, in that time in which I was working, relaxing, I will still pay myself for enjoying my Sunday.
Okay.
But अभी
approximately उतना ही आना चाहिए.
Exactly, उतना ही आएगा. तो अब मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, आप सब जिनको मंथली इनकम आती है वो लोग उसको 30th तक लेके जाओ और 30th को so कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते जाओ. We may not finish it today completely, so we will go tomorrow. Okay, because it's already 6:30. I can go only for half an hour more. In case the concepts are not understood, we will take it up tomorrow. Okay, whatever I can do till now, I'll do it. Because
मैडम कोई एक एग्जाम्पल, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, कोई ऐसा एग्जाम्पल पेपर पे या कैसे अपने इस पे होगा तो दैट विल बी बेटर, सैलराइड पर्सन एंड नॉन सैलराइड पर्सन. तो एक एग्जाम्पल मतलब जो सैलरी वाला है तो उसका कुछ.
मैं आपका सैलरी का एग्जाम्पल अभी दे देती हूँ. मैं अभी पवन का सैलरी का एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ.
हाँ.
So Pavan's today's date is 21st.
21st June.
I'm not going to write what all you did. Okay? So I'm just going to write your timing for the activities, and the total amount of money, total mental bank.
Correct.
Mental bank income, MBI.
Correct. So today is 14,500 bucks. For
So
example.
14,500 I'm writing.
Correct.
तो ग्रुप में भेज रही हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है.
अपना MMT का ग्रुप किधर है? MM participant group is there. रुचिका.
हाँ वही है मैम. Unmute.
MM participants group.
मैंने भेज दिया. अभी now see what I am doing. 22nd June का दिन है and I am carry forwarding 14,500. Then again I do my activities. I earn 14,500.
That is on 22nd.
हाँ. So now my carry forward on 22nd is 29,000.
Okay.
I've just passaged once again.
Okay.
Then on 23rd June, my carry forward comes as 29,000, right?
Yeah, 29 plus 14 and a half.
Yes. So now my carry forward has become 29,000 plus 14 and a half. How much is that, Pawan?
43.
43,500 carry forward. Till this time, I'm not earning anything. There is no actual income.
Okay. So for the next 10 days, I do this.
Yeah. So do it. Yeah.
So approximately, so the month through date is 21st. We do it till for another 10 days, right?
So I will now straight
Including
30th June.
सीधा 10 दिन का ले लेंगे तो 1.45 lakhs हो जाएगा, right?
1,45,000 carry forward आएगा.
Correct.
फिर मैं 1st जुलाई को जाऊंगी.
Okay.
1st जुलाई को मेरा carry forward है 1,45,000.
Okay.
Now my 4th column, actual income,
Okay.
is 1,65,000.
Okay.
Now if you see, my mental bank income MBI is 1,45,000.
Correct.
Actual income is this.
Correct.
So, how much I am having more? The mental bank income will become minus 20,000.
Delta 20k का आएगा, minus 20k का delta आएगा, correct.
So minus 20,000 I will go on 1st of July.
On 1st of July, correct.
Now 2nd of July, my carry forward will be minus 20,000.
Correct.
And then my income on that day is 14,500.
Correct.
Now I go minus 5,500.
Correct.
Correct.
So 3rd July I start with a deficit of minus 5,500.
Everybody is confused because we have started from middle. अगर
हाँ
हमने
ठीक है.
start नहीं किया होता था तो ये तकलीफ नहीं आती.
हाँ ठीक है.
अगर आपने first से start किया of any month तो आप नीचे अंदर तक जाएंगे और minus करके खत्म करेंगे.
ठीक है. So on the 3rd of July I am at a negative 5,500.
Now on 3rd, so which will carry forward.
Correct. Then on the 4th I go positive.
Now 3rd of July you will earn 14,500.
Correct.
So you will do minus 5,500. Now you will be plus 9,000.
9,000.
Plus हो गया.
Correct.
Now you will keep on adding till you reach 31st of July.
हाँ. Okay.
मैं इसको भेज देती हूँ. Now please understand this is confusing because we have started this from
Middle of the month.
Middle of the month.
Middle of the month. Right.
Otherwise, अगर ये इन्होंने स्टार्ट फर्स्ट से किया होता तो इनका पूरा उल्टा होता. आपका अगर आप समझ चुके चलो, अगर आपने जून में किया है तो आपने कितना आपका इनकम आता है 1,45,000 into 3 times 4,35,000.
करेक्ट. 30 डेज का आपने पकड़ा.
30 डेज का मैंने पकड़ा माइनस 1,65,000.
करेक्ट. तो आपका डेल्टा अलग हो जाएगा. 270 का डेल्टा आ जाएगा.
2,70,000 इनका कैरी फॉरवर्ड आएगा.
Correct.
So work like this because this is too confusing for people. So start from 1st of June if you want, because or start from 1st of July. Otherwise, it will.
1st of July is a better option because then that is realistically.
Yeah. So your income at the end of 30th of July. 1st of August फिर भी आपका mental bank income 2,70,000 ही रहेगा. Now, when the mental bank income minus the actual income will reach what is the 4 times the income?
4 time income is 1.12 CR.
1.12 crores, right?
Correct.
Automatically you see आपका बढ़ता जाएगा 2,70,000. दूसरे महीने भी आपका 2,70,000 बढ़ेगा, right? फिर आपका 2,70,000 फिर से बढ़ेगा. वो जैसे जैसे आप बढ़ता जाएगा, जिस दिन आपका 1,12,000 होगा, आपके अकाउंट में डबल मींस 48 लाख इनके अकाउंट में होंगे. अब अगर आपको इसको पहुंचने को 1.5 साल लगा, वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है. वो क्यों? बिकॉज आपने बोनस इवेंट और बम्पर इवेंट नहीं किए. Now we talk about bumper and bonus, but first what I want you to do is start writing your mental bank income from only Nisha can write from today because Nisha is earning daily. The rest who are not earning daily, they have to start writing like this from 1st of July. And suppose 1st of July you write. After writing it on 1st of July, if 1st of July only you have got 5 lakh rupees. तो अंडरस्टैंड करना, आपका मेंटल बैंक हार्डली 10,000 का होगा और आपको 5 लाख मिलेगा, तो आपका पूरा माइनस में जाएगा. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, fair.
Have to balance it out. So might as well, so learn how to do the minusing. Minusing means when the mental bank income is less than your actual income. Like for example, Nisha is going in minus 3,500 today, minus 3,640 today, 3,680 today. So she will carry forward minus 3,680. Her carry forward is minus.
Okay.
Minus. Then you will calculate everything again tomorrow. अगर आपने फिर से कुछ नहीं कमाया, आपका 720 में से 0 चला गया, तो आप 3,620 में से माइनस 3,260 में से प्लस 720 करेंगे, तो आपका और माइनस जाएगा टिल द टाइम वो 0 सबको सभी आपका है. आपका 0 होने में 5 दिन जाएगा अगर आपने कमाया नहीं तो. और आप 0 का इंतजार मत करो, अगर आप कमा रहे हो आने दो. कभी कभी होता है कि आपको मेंटल बैंक इनकम कम होता है और आप कमाते ज्यादा हो और वो माइनस में जाता है. इट्स ओके, यू कैन डू इट लेटर ऑन.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's do one thing. Whatever is there today, first do that. Then we'll go tomorrow because we're not going to be able to understand so fast. ठीक है, तो आज का आप लिखो, कल हम फिर से आते हैं. तो आपका जो कैरी फॉरवर्ड है वो आप मुझे रात तक बताएंगे, कल बताएंगे आप कैरी फॉरवर्ड क्या है, एंड कल से आप ये चालू करेंगे सुबह से लिखना. लेट्स टेक इट फॉरवर्ड.
Gitanjali, it is advisable to do this on an Excel sheet because it is much more easier and structured, or you want to write it down? What do you prefer?
If you want an Excel sheet,
what do you recommend? Sorry,
everybody doesn't do an Excel sheet. I have never done an Excel sheet till now, and I do this every day.
Okay.
I do it every day, so that because now what happens also is when I see how much time I waste on television, I'll switch over to productive things. तो इसे देखना जरूरी है.
Okay.
If you are today in this time when we are binging, so what we can do? There are bonus events. What is it that you don't like to do? How to increase your income? Suppose Pawan मैं आपको बोलूँगी आपको अपनी income बढ़ानी है, तो आप क्या क्या एक्टिविटी आपको करनी चाहिए जो आप नहीं करते हो? बताइए.
Okay, so I need to spend some more time on the startup idea and be able to curate it and spend some more time on that.
So now
At least 2 hours a day.
So every 2 hours when you spend time on that startup idea, you are going to pay yourself double.
Acha. Okay.
So instead of 1450 for an hour, you will pay yourself 2900 for an hour.
Wow.
If you go to the startup idea, these are known as bonus events. Alifia, ऐसा क्या bonus events है जो आप करना चाहिए आपको और आप नहीं कर रहे हो?
A lot of ideas that I haven't worked on. So basically getting the list of publishers, reaching out. Right now I'm just working on the book, but then actually.
So now, yes. So this work which you do, suppose if you do it for 1 hour, you are going to reward yourself a bonus event into double. This is known as, there will be bonus events for everyone. What they should do and they're not doing. Understand? For example, maybe I should be studying and I'm not studying. So for every hour I study, I will give myself double the money. Is it making sense? Yeah. Yes, Kanchan.
Does that also include personal enhancing habits? For example, I mean, I don't exercise. Start exercising.
Now understand, very good question, Kanchan. So if you start exercising, now for some time you'll put in a daily bonus event for maybe 2 months. मगर 2 महीना तक आपने continuously exercise कर लिया है, आपको bonus event नहीं होगा. Now it's part of your routine.
Okay. Oh, got it.
You will decrease
Got
your
it.
then. So
Okay,
suppose if
got it.
I don't go to a parlor, I don't do any kind of thing, and then that is again a bonus event for me, going to a parlor, or I don't spend time with friends. Going and meeting those 3 hours with friends will be a bonus event for me. But every day if I'm spending time with friends, then not a bonus event. Then it's what I meant. Not even anything event only. Then time for recreation. And recreation is then waste of time. Then you don't pay yourself for that.
Madam, what about daily basis meditation?
I can't pay myself for that.
Ma'am, what about regular basis meditation? How will count in regular routine?
In regular routine, 30 minutes, regular routine. 1 hour, some Alfia said, I do 1 hour of yoga. That's a regular routine. That's not a bonus event. So suppose if Alifia now needs to do hardcore exercise, for example, that will come in your, I'm just giving an example.
So my second hour of workout will be
workout, cycling you have to do that, and you hate cycling. You don't want to do cycling. So then that will be counted as a bonus event. So suppose if you started with 1 hour of cycling every day. So how much do you earn per hour, Alifia?
320.
320. So you're going to pay yourself 320 into 2, which is 640 for that hour. That's a bonus event. Okay, and you have to increase your money by doing bonus events. So suppose if, tell me, Kanchan.
So it means that every activity that you feel has been productive, but you've been procrastinating about it, if you start doing them, then they become bonus events till they become routines.
Right. Got it?
Well, nicely summarized. Thank you.
Yeah, very nicely summarized. So they need to be routine, and after routine, then we come as jackpot events. Jackpot events is, for example, I hate public speaking and I have to go and address 100 people. See, for me today, this seminar is going to be a jackpot event. This 2 hours which I'm doing, 1.5 hours I'm doing, is a jackpot event for me. I don't do normally such seminars. Okay, money manifestation class, I don't do so many times because I do money manifestation as part of my entire workshop. I teach manifestation abundance. So I do a 2-day workshop, complete. From there, I have picked it up and I'm reaching to a lot of people for the very simple reason, it's less expensive. Otherwise, manifestation abundance is a course which is for 20,000-25,000. So we get less people. So I have picked up a part of that course and I'm teaching. In fact, taken 3-4 courses and I'm teaching. So this is a jackpot event for me. I have never done this for so many people money manifestation because $9.99 was not sounding here okay for me. So sorry, I'm being very honest. Means I'm not pompous about it, but it is a marketing thing which I never thought about it. Please understand, which was given to me by Ruchika that do it. So when she told me to do it, I did a small workshop in which I included whatever I do. I told her to prepare from the everything, and she's given me, and I have been doing. So I've been doing this mental bank which I'm teaching. I'm teaching you from my hypnotherapy workshop. Manifestation and everything I'm teaching you from my theta workshop. If you have the time, I will be teaching you NLP from my NLP. The exercise, which is for the future. Okay, so I have been just including things. So I teach workshops, big workshops. I don't teach small workshops. So this is we are doing right now for the Zoom thing. Secondly, what was difficult is the Zoom was never in prevalent. So we would want, I would be doing past life regression free workshops, which is again an event. Now I need to do it every month. If I do a past life regression workshop every month for 2 hours or 3 hours a talk, then that's a bonus workshop for me. Then if I'm not doing it and I start doing it, I take it as a bonus. Now I do it for 6 days, 6 times, or I do it for 3 times a month. Then I stop making it my bonus event. I need to make it my normal event. Is it making sense?
Yes.
And secondly, for these workshops, I would want people to come to my office. Now, people will not come to my office for this 999. Okay. Because all of you are so far. Now, this is such a nice platform which I've got where I can reach. So even though the lockdown is over by Jan-Feb, I will still continue to do workshops on Zoom. Small workshops that I can reach so many people. It's a kind of an event for me. Yeah, no, because that's important. I never realized the importance of social media or the importance that we can do such a, like people used to say do it on Google Hangout, and I would say no. So I'm the person who doesn't like to use such things. So it becomes a challenge to me.
So that's the positive. That's the positive of the lockdown for us.
Exactly. For you also and for me also, I have taught an entire past life regression workshop to different people across India, and this is the first time I have done it. And I used to always, like Ruchika would say, I want to learn it. I would say, no, you need to come here and do it. You need to come here. I can't teach. It's not a workshop you can learn like this. And today, because of this lockdown, and I've taught the entire people. I have found it much more interesting. Yes, what I have done is I've increased the time. For 4 days, I have made it an 8-day workshop. So people get value for money. So I'm now going to, what I never used to do in my workshops, I'm going to make two groups. I'm going to see that everybody is doing it minutely, look through them, point out their mistakes, which I was not doing earlier. So rather than a 4-day workshop, I have made it an 8-day workshop. But you should find a satisfaction in teaching.
Appreciate your honesty, appreciate your openness, and really appreciate the way you're coming across to us. It just instills more and more trust, and it instills a lot of respect for you.
Yeah, I'm not the kind of person who will lie. If I don't do meditation, I'll say, no, I can't do meditation. But the lockdown again has been good. I've walked for at least an hour and a half daily. But even in that time, I speak to my clients many times. And I walk at 12 o'clock in the night. Because that time only there are less people.
वो टाइम पे कोरोना भी नहीं घूमता.
कोरोना भी नहीं घूमता.
वो बंद हो जाता है.
So now do you understand what I'm trying to say? So you need, today we'll just finish till night and we'll see what is the amount you carry forward. We'll start this mental bank again tomorrow. And understand, even if you don't feel that, oh, I'm still confused and I don't know, on the 1st and the 2nd, we will do one more meeting. I think so we'll be done before. Arrange for the one more meeting that we can be there for just maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. So I tell everybody how to do this thing. Is it okay? You don't
right.
I'm not going to leave you halfway.
Yeah. So we want to know, if it's a jackpot event, then what do you give yourself for that hour?
So I multiplied 4 times.
4 times.
This event which I'm doing today is a jackpot for me because I have got people on board. People I have not met for so long, and they have just come and done the manifestation. So I'm going to give myself my earnings into 4 times. So suppose if I earn 5,000 an hour or 2,000 an hour, I'm going to make it 8,000 an hour.
Okay.
This is how I'm going to increase, because You have to increase your mental bank, because the mental bank is going to give you the actual money in the bank. But it actually happens. I have been doing mental bank regularly from 2016 onwards, and my income has increased double every year.
Wow.
So, but you have to do it. If you see, I can show you my books. I don't know where it is, but there are books and books which I have just used for my mental bank. So, because that 15 minutes is important for you to write down how much you earned, how much you didn't earn, and you will see that you'll get the resources. So you may just invest more in marketing, but you will reach, because now your mind is saying, boss, I need to earn 1 crore. So it will create the resource. Now I need to earn 2 crores, and you'll create that resource. So even if you're spending on marketing, you'll get the right marketing to spend on.
Can you just sum up what a jackpot event is? Like you said, a bonus event is productive.
For me, today, this is a jackpot event. Something which I don't do. Okay, this is a jackpot for me. For me, well, I can talk about myself only. What you don't do at all, like for example, if you're invited, one of my students, now she got invited as a psychologist for a RJ. That's a bonus event. So it will be pertaining to what your field is. I cannot define the bonus event for you, but suppose वो एक आता है, एक साल में एक bonus event आता है. Suppose now I'm invited to speak as a past life therapist in some conference, for example. This never happened. I'm going to give myself bonus events. Sorry, jackpot event. Now suppose I don't want to learn. I feel I've learned everything. But in this lockdown or whatever, I invest money to learn. For example, Preeti, आपने क्या बोला था कल? कहाँ गई Preeti? Lockdown. Maybe her.
Yeah. I'm here.
तो आपने याद है आपने बोला था
मैं बोला था कि मुझे हाँ.
So वो जो workshops आपने किए थे, आपको उसको अपने event को bonus events देने. अभी जब आप कर रहे हो, now if you do it regularly, it's a different thing. But if you don't do workshops and suddenly you do this workshop, so it's a bonus event for you. For example, for all of you, this can be a jackpot event also. Because you have not been doing any workshops, am I correct? Have you been doing any kind of workshops in this lockdown? So today, the 1.5 hours you're going to give, it's going to be 4 times.
I will treat this lockdown as a jackpot event in itself, because a lot of us have actually done a lot of things which we haven't been doing for years. We are actually growing positively.
Yeah, that's what I told even her, that I feel much better. My health is much better. That I still give me giving time to myself, walking for that hour and a half is very important. I've been watching so much of TV, but that's even good.
For you, that's a jackpot event.
Yeah, but now it's not a jackpot. 3 महीना हो गया. Now it is demotivating.
Yeah.
So is jackpot event and bumper event the same?
No, bonus events is something that you know you should be.
No, I'm asking jackpot event and bumper event. Are they the same? Bonus I got bonus.
Bumper, same.
Okay. I got bonus.
So now see, Simyan Baba is my 7th workshop with Gitanjali, and this one after a gap of 3 years. And I'm sure, Simyan, none of the workshop you have done is for 1,000 rupees.
Not at all. This is truly 999. I can't even believe I've done a workshop with you for 999.
Yeah. So that's why we just changed our. Yeah.
So for me, this will be a jackpot event attending this because it's a jackpot. The amount is a jackpot, right?
Yeah.
For us.
Yeah.
For us.
Yes.
Even the amount is that.
For example, now I go live every 9 p.m. so people can ask me tarot questions. When I started, that would be the bonus, but now it is 9 p.m. every day. So it's not a bonus event at all. Sorry, it's 9 p.m. every day. It's a regular event.
And where do you go live? On your Facebook page?
Facebook page, yeah.
Oh, can you send the link? I'll join.
Ruchika. Question and
I'll
answer
send
link.
it.
Question and answer link.
Also, Ruchika, I was not able to access the video of day one. It is asking for password.
Ruchika, can you do me a favor? Can you just remove the password? We don't want passwords.
Ma'am, it's automatic. I can't do it. It's Zoom giving me the password.
Oh.
Oh, you can put a WhatsApp video. Just a WhatsApp में वो audio डाल दो. So many people do that. So
I am
if
trying
that's
to do
possible.
something else. Just give me some time. Tomorrow is a working day, so I'll have some help, and I'm working to get you some more easier way out. So
we'll work with Tanvi, and Tanvi can help us.
Yes.
Yeah, because none of us have been able to access it. And I think the first day workshop, you had told us to do that kind of meditation every day.
So fine.
So because
the moment we put it on the YouTube, but see the problem is we can't put it on YouTube.
no, don't put it on YouTube. Then it's
YouTube is
then
not
it will be
advisable because it is it is
accessible to
breaching-
everyone.
Yeah.
breaching
Yeah,
privacy of
yeah.
everyone. Correct.
So I
Yeah.
can't put it on
So if you like Ruchika can put something on this MM participants group only, then that will be great. All the workshops will be covered, and whenever we want to refer back, we can.
Yes.
Okay,
it's like a
sorry.
WhatsApp, yeah.
Help me understand this. What is the problem that you are facing while you're downloading it? Because I was able to do it seamlessly, absolutely no problem. Put in the password, I get the recording, I can download everything, just absolutely no issue.
No,
I'm surprised.
we were being asked the password, and when we type in the password,
Okay.
we are told that the password is incorrect and nothing. I mean, we can't access it.
No, so there has to be a character in the password that has been put, either a space or a dot or an underscore, something has to come through.
I did that. I tried everything.
Even I did
Even
that.
if you do a
Yeah.
copy paste, even if you do a copy paste from the chat window and put it on the Zoom link, you are able to download it seamlessly. I've been able to download both the recordings with the video, without the video, audio, no problem. It is sized at about 908 MB or 920 MB odd.
So maybe you take the help of your children and do it.
So maybe we will do the copy paste and see if it works.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely
Okay,
no
we'll
challenge.
do that. That's a good idea. We'll copy paste. Yeah.
Maybe a character also, uppercase, lowercase, sometimes
Yeah.
people do make those mistakes. So it's
So,
absolutely done.
Pawan, you are saying copy paste that thing into the Zoom, is it? On the Zoom,
You get the
this thing,
URL. So
copy
she's
paste.
posted the URL. Okay.
Okay.
She's pasted the URL on the chat window. Okay, there are two options.
Yeah.
You either go on your WhatsApp and click that link, put
Huh.
the password manually,
Or
or you log into your laptop or your desktop.
Yes.
Okay, put that link. Okay,
Do
put
that.
that link, and then put the password. Just copy paste the password. So you can also
My-
go web.whatsapp.com and you get the web interface of your WhatsApp mobile on your screen, on your laptop, which is more convenient. Because that's what I do, and I feel I can't typing for me on WhatsApp actually become very cumbersome. So I put it on the desktop. There is a web.whatsapp available. You
WhatsApp
can use that version, and it makes life a lot easier.
Your children must be knowing it how to do that.
Yeah, I think I should tell my son because he does all this for me. I'm sure he'll do this copy paste thingy. I didn't ask him. I should have done that.
Yeah. So he will be able to help. So please take the help of your competent children. Okay. So now this week's over mental bank. Now till night you commute. We'll start with mental bank again tomorrow evening. So whatever you have earned, whatever is the actual income, Risha, you'll have to put a carry forward as a minus. Okay. So yours only will be in fact yours, this thing will be very good for learning.
Okay.
Chalo. Haan.
Ma'am, initially we did calculation. That also we have to write it daily.
Everything daily. That is why for these 5 days we'll start now. So we'll by the end of next this thing, today is the third day. By the next of 4th day, you'll be able to do it. It's not very difficult. Today it seems difficult. After 2-3 days, you'll find it's so easy. Why did we bother only?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, what you're saying, ma'am, that whatever.
What I feel, Ruchika, when you send me the link, if you say no password in the link itself, when you book the recording, there will be no password. So you have to stop putting passwords before only.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to tell you. When I don't
Fine.
put passwords, so there will be no need for passwords.
Also, Pawan, if it is comfortable for you, whatever you have been able to download, can you put it in the WhatsApp group for people who is not so computer savvy? And my laptop has stopped working. So if it is fine
$1
with you,
per
if you can
line.
put it in the group. Pardon?
$1 per line. I'll do it. I'll
He's
send
already
it.
he's already started earning.
I'll send it.
Yeah,
I'll send it.
so you put it in your mental bank. Pawan, put it in your mental bank.
Jackpot event.
Excuse me, you have to pay him. He's asking
I'll do
for
it. I'll do
take
it.
an actual money transaction. He's
Yes,
asking for
Rolly, I was able to
$1.
do it. Yes, Rolly,
I know that.
Rolly, I was able to do it with the password. Okay, so I'll send it across.
Okay, ठीक है. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Have a good evening.
Bye.
So
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.